Hello student, welcome to the political science tutorial. Today I have brought before you a very interesting video that is on career. Career is one of the important aspects in everyone's life. Choosing career becomes difficult when you don't have knowledge about the opportunities available in the particular subject. So knowing various career opportunities available in the subject is very important because taken a wrong decision will end up in a failure and taken a right decision with lot of knowledge will make you successful. With this objective, I have created this video and this video is on career in political science. Political science is one of the social science subject which is having n number of career opportunities. There are many political science aspirants who are pursuing their studies in political science, but many don't know what are the career opportunities available in the subject. As a result, they take a wrong track and end up in unsuccessful. Let's study or let's understand what are the career opportunities available in the subject political science. I will tell you one by one what are the career options and what are the opportunities available. First one is teaching. Teaching is one of the area wherein number of options are available before you. First is high school. Political science graduate can join high school after completing his or her B.Ed. If you have taken political science as one of your graduation subject and done B.Ed, then you can teach in high school a social science subject. Other option is available at higher secondary. To become higher secondary teacher in political science subject, you should compulsorily have masters in political science and B.Ed in social science. If these two degrees you have, then you can be a political science teacher at higher secondary. Third career option is at college level. To become a college teacher, one has to complete Masters in Political Science with 55% marks without any grace marks. If you have a grace marks and you have above 55% marks, even then you are not eligible to become teacher at college level. So you have to be very careful that you get 55% marks and above without any grace marks. Other qualification required to become college teacher is NET exam certificate and SET exam certificate. NET means National Eligibility Test, which is conducted by UGC. This exam is at national level. If you pass this exam, then you are eligible to apply in any college in any part of India. As far as SET exam is concerned, it is a state eligibility test which is conducted by Maharashtra board. So this exam is limited only to Maharashtra and Goa. Those who have passed SET exam can apply only in the state of Goa and in Maharashtra and in no other part of India. But as far as NET is concerned, you can apply any part of India. Besides this, if you have PhD degree, then you can join as a college lecturer. Fourth option available before you is at university level. The same qualification you require as you require to become a college teacher. You should have MA in political science with 55% marks and above, but without any grace marks. You should have NET exam. For that you have qualified to apply in any part of India, and SET exam. For this you are qualified to apply only in Maharashtra and Goa. And other qualification required is PhD. Now from 2022 onwards, UGC has made it compulsory and or mandatory to have PhD degree to enter as a college or university lecturer. So you have to have this qualification to pursue your career in teaching field. Next career opportunity you have in the subject political science is in civil services. The civil services, like you can join all India services like Indian Administrative Service, which is also known as IAS, and Indian Police Service, IPS. There are many civil servants who have cleared these all India services who have political science background. So it becomes easy for the civil servant aspirant to crack this examination. Beside Indian Forest Service also you can join having a political science background. Other career option in civil service, you can join central services, that is Indian Foreign Services and other Group A and Group B central services. Basically Group A and Group B central services, to select people in this category, mainly Staff Selection Commission conduct exams. Next career option available, you can join in your state government jobs. You can join to state civil services, mainly to appoint civil servant at state level. The Public Service Commission of each state, they conduct exam regularly. Public Service Commissions, like for example Maharashtra will have its own Public Service Commission, that is Maharashtra Public Service Commission. Then Goa will have its own, that is Goa Public Service Commission. So you can join to the civil services by passing the examination conducted by this Public Service Commission. Then you can also join various government department having a background of political science. Next career option you can see in politics. So politics is a very challenging and courageous decision, but those who have a political knowledge can become a good political leader. Political science provide one subject, that is public administration, which gives you in detail the administrative knowledge. If you have administrative knowledge, then you can become a good political leader and you can see politics as your career. Next is law. By taking political science at your graduation level, you can easily pass your LLB course. If you are graduate and want to do LLB course, then 3-year course is available. If you are joining LLB course soon after doing your 12th standard, then you have to do it for 5 years course. So with political science background, you can easily crack all India bar examination, which is conducted by the Bar Council of India. Next career option is that you can become a political scientist or researcher. Many government department is having a section called research section. So you can join to that research section. You can conduct some researches to the government department, which they can use it for the better implementation of government programs and policies. For that, to become a political scientist or researcher, you should have a qualification in MA in political science and PhD degree. You can also be a political advisor to the government politicians. You can join social service by taking political science. You can join NGOs who are working in different sector. You can also be a part of government outreach program if you have a political science background. There are many government outreach programs which government is introducing time and again. you can be a part of it, you can be a researcher to it, and you can make a good career in this field. You can also join corporate social responsibility and you can improve your career in this field. Journalism is the another area wherein you can see your career improving. If after graduation in political science, if you can join journalism course and you can become a political reporter, wherein you are going to report the news in political system, on political activities. Lastly, you can join in a marketing system. If you have a political science background, you can also do MBA course and you can enter in a marketing area. You can also do some short-term courses, diploma courses after completing your graduation in political science. So these are some of the career opportunities which are available in the field, in the subject political science. Thank you and all the best. If you have liked this video, please click on like button, and if you want to know the future notification of my videos on political science, please click on subscribe button. No fees will be charged for that, but you will get notification of my future video. Thank you very much. Bye.